So hubby used these, but I hadn't used them yet, and they came, and I thought these were just little dots, but they are actually hearts. So I got some bacon in the oven, and it's been in there on 370, and it is about to, the timer is about to go really quick. So I wanted you guys to see me use these myself, and that way I can give you a review. I got these from Amazon, and they were, I think, I'll put the link below. Can't remember the exact amount, but I'll put the link below. So let's get this bacon out the oven. So, and I'm going to hold this for a little bit because that's the test for me. I'm holding this in my hand. Yeah, let me cut this time off. I'm literally holding this because I need y'all to see this. I'm still holding it. Still holding it. Fingers are placed on the bottom of it. Still holding it. Now, no one's going to take that long to take anything out, and I still can, you know, I'm okay with the touch. Still okay. No one's going to hold it this long. That was my test. Holding it in my hand for a while to see if I have to carry it like outside, if we cooking, or say I did baked beans and I want to take it outside and I want to hold the pan all the way till I get outside. I would have been outside by that time. Yeah, they're pretty good. And also, let me cut my stove off. Hold on one second. Not to mention, if you have, the way that they're made, if you have small or big hands, you should be able to get them in there. Because I have nice size hands for a woman. And my husband's hands are bigger than mine, so he was also okay with the size of them and how they fit on his hands. And I like the fact that it's not just a mitten, so it's not like, you know, you just have all your hands like this and just the thumb area, and then that's just it. That's what I like about it. It's like you can move your fingers and do what you need to do, grab what you need to grab, and they don't have like some of them, so beware if you try to get something different. Some of them have cloth lining that you can wash, which I think sucks. I believe these are dishwasher safe, or you can just dunk them in your dishwater, rinse them off in case you get something on them, or wipe them down. That's what I like about these, and we shouldn't have to replace these for years. And a lot of people said that they've had nice silicone oven gloves that last a while, instead of those cloth ones that thin silicone tends to pop and break. Like you seen on my video, I showed you how I burnt myself because it was ripped in the middle. So I don't have to have an issue with these, and I am in love with these. So if you are a baker, a cooker, or anything, you just need to get in and out your stove and protect your hands, I would recommend these. These are not sponsored. I just like to share things that I purchased that are a great deal that will save you money in the future from having to keep replacing those cheap gloves. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you guys later, gators.